So we're out riding today, and came to the crest of a hill and figured you'd might to see the view. Pretty much got everything on here. We've got a school in front of us, trying to take you around as fast as it possibly can, but slow enough to where it won't make you dizzy. There's a school there. Then you've got an oil well back over here, right there between the trees on that hill over there. Then you've got the beautiful fall colors, cows down here on the side of the hill.
Now, I know what that is. Do any of you know what that is? If you'll pull up, I'll show you this more of a side of that I can, because it's just part. It's done has seen its better days. But I know what that is. Leave it in the comments if you know what it is. But if you don't know what it is and you want to know what it is, say, hey, I don't know what it is, and I'll tell you what it is. There's a Hulk. I think I got it. Let's see. There she went. Oh, she's landing on the pole over there. There's the hawk. Beautiful place to live, fly and eat. He's got a beautiful place. Look at the little pigs. Hey, little piggy. Hey, little piggy. Hey, little pig. Oink, oink. Oink, oink. So give me some food. It's pretty. Look, it's coming to Daniel. Hopefully Daniel's gonna give her something. She's as long as the car, longer than the car, y'all. Oh, he don't want cow sugar either.
Nope.
She's done sugared up my side. Oh, she's pretty. Give me some corn food. He's gonna pet her. I want food. Daniel, if you roll down the window, there's you a girlfriend. She'd give you some sugar and a half.
Yeah, she'd wrap her tongue around my head and pull my head into her mouth.
We said we wanted a cow. That would be one that would give you all the loving you want at home. Oh my! There's a Highland cow. Here, look at them horns. Okay, so right here is the mama. One of the mamas of her baby buffalo. So that's what a little baby buffalo looks like. He's gonna get big like mama. Just stop for a minute. I would never trust one, even if they've been raised up in captivity. I wouldn't trust no buffalo. You got that wildness in them. See, the mama just went up there and run all the animals off. And there's another calf, but the mama run all the animals off so she could get the food. That one's, I guess that other one might be a little more timid with her baby because her baby's small. Her baby's smaller. They're pretty. There's the ostrich, but he's not coming over here because I don't like him picking. And there's another buffalo. Makes me want to go to Wyoming and Montana so bad. Oh, it's so pretty. Little pigs. Wow, they got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 buffalo right now. It's like giving them candy at Christmas time. Oh, look at the bird on the wire. I can't get it no closer. That's as good as I can get. It's pretty neat. They can. 80 or 90 years old for that bird. Wow. Danny said they can live to be 80 or 90 years old. Okay, I'm going now. I don't want a cow licking me. All right, got to keep the windows down, but look at the zebra. I mean up. Look at the zebras. We came back to the farm. That's what Daniel wanted to do today, so. Yeah, cut that off. And I think the zebras are pretty. We just can't have the windows down with the zebras around. But that one seems to be pretty. They bite. But they are pretty. Look at them. So are they black and white, or are they white and black? That one just looking at us like he's a statue. Oh, here comes some more little things wanting food. Daniel, on your side. I'm not feeding, trying not to feed today. Well, you didn't do anything, so they left.
No, they're there.
They're coming. He bought food, so they're gonna eat. Yep, there they go. Great day, they all stirring on the hill up yonder. You can see them walking. Oh my goodness, they got a ton of them. The wagon's coming and people's got food, and so they're going towards the food. Oh, there's a big old buffalo going too. Yep, he does. Let's see if I can get close. That's as close as I can get her right now with her calf. They're going towards the wagon because they want food. Bye, pretty zebras. I just think zebras are so pretty. Here is the mama and the baby a little closer. As long as the ostrich stays away from me, because I don't want him pecking on me. But he is pretty. It's a white one. Mama's taking the calf somewhere.
Here you go, piggy.
Wait.
Piggy.
What did you hit?
I hit that.
The car?
Nope, that's what I hit.
You didn't damage my car, did you?
No.
I thought I was videotaping, but I wasn't. But he's standing there for me to get his picture, so it's good. He wants some food. Oh, there's some little baby ostrich coming. I'm gonna try to turn it where y'all can see them. I'm gonna get rid of that book. Oh, baby ostrich. Look at them. They're coming to get you. Great. Hey, look at them. Is that ostrich or emus?
That's ostrich.
Because there's an emu right there, ain't it? She heard
ostrich.
food. Oh, that's a small one. Then that must be a teenager one. The deer wants some.
Oh.
Oh my goodness. Look at that. I'd hate for them to pick me. That's how Daniel eats. As fast as he can. As fast as he can. I love that. I just couldn't help myself, y'all. What'd you say, Daniel?
So the deer, they come up to you and just give you the big eyes and just, please, Mom, can I have some more? Please. Please. I'm starving over here. Please, give me some more. There's our little pig. Hey, baby pig. Can I have a baby pig?
Nope. They make them, they destroy the land. You gonna butcher it?
Nope. Pot belly pig.
Doom, doom, doom. Oh my, he's a big one, ain't he?
Yep.
Oh my, look at that head, y'all. Oh.
You gonna stop it?
Doom, doom, doom. Oh, he says, oh, here comes another one. Oh, it's Samson and Boaz. And they are, yeah. Hello, big boy. He says, I don't like to eat like that. I'm not going to chase my food. I'm big. We're holding you ransom. Literally, we're stuck. We can't go anywhere. They won't move. He's gonna knock my mirror off. Doom, doom, doom. And here comes the big boy. They're gonna go to sleep right here in front of us and not let us by. You won't buy? You gotta pay me with some food. I'm not letting you buy. Me neither. We're holding y'all hostage. You're on camera. Don't care. I'm not letting you go by. Doom, doom, doom. I mean, they're just being aggravating. They're burning all our gas up. Literally, he's not moving. Oh, look at him. There he goes. No. Oh, my mirror.
Fine.
Come on, big boy. Come on, move. Thank you. This when you think it's safe to go out. Here comes another one. The bullies. Oh my. Love must be in the air. Love is in the air. I can feel it all around me. They got some big ones now that don't want to let you go by, do they?
Sorry.
Did you bump him?
Nope.
Hey, Mama Buffalo. Now you stay right there. Nope. Nope. Come over here. I'm not going. Nope. Sorry. We're not doing that today. Oh my goodness. That's up close and personal as we gonna get y'all. Look at my car. It needed washing anyway.
Oh, they're so soft.
Oh, ain't she? She's pretty. At a distance. Just don't break my glass, sweet girl. There you go. Well, all you can see right now is me. There we go. Bye. Bye. They ain't coming. They're not invited to come to my Just don't kick me when I go by, because you could do some damage to me. Bye, fellow. again. Not pretty. Spitting ones, you're not going to spit on me today. You got to go around and talk to him because I'm not feeding you spitting little devils. Oh, they're pretty. Oh, it's so pretty though. I'll let you feed it. Oh, that's just perfect for me. I get to look at you and enjoy you, and you hopefully don't spit on me.
Nope. You go back in there. You go back out there.
Okay.
I will give you more. There you go.
Adios. He's running. I can't show you his face. Really learned to bring me some baby wipes when I go on vacation with Daniel, because now I have deer slobber all over my hands. I have cow slobber all over my hands, and I wasn't even gonna feed them. Pretty. That deer is dark. A lot darker than the other ones.
Yeah.
You said to come around here. Dinner time. Oh, we got to run the other one off so that her baby can eat. Everybody thought it was free food.
So the mama was calling. She was over here in front of us. She was calling, and then the baby come up. So you outside the car. Hi.
You can see his horns. Oh yeah. He's a nice blue.
Hey, here she comes. There she comes.
Oh, there's the baby. There's the mom and the baby. There you
Is this what you want? Is this what you want? There you go.
go. Quiet.
For a short season. The brown ones are the Africans, right?
I don't know.
I think those are the African geese, and then the white ones. I forget.
What's that behind my car? Oh, the car's coming up behind us. Hey, boy.
He's a wet eater.
A wet eater?
Wet.
Why he likes to.
He's all wet. Strawberry.
Oh my goodness. Look what's on my side. I'm not rolling down the window for you. Sorry. Bye. Hurt your feelings, didn't I? Next. Yeah. You can come visit, but I'm not rolling down the window for you either. Nope. Not gonna happen. Boom. Bye. There coming for us again, y'all. Don't want to stand in the way. Look at them horns. Oh my. I need to get them all by that. Don't hit my car. So here's the giraffes, because when he gets too close I can't videotape them, and I know he wants to videotape them. They got a baby one and 3 big ones, or juvenile and big ones.
There's Abel's real life long neck. Cause that thing.
How tall you think he is, Daniel?
Probably about 15 feet. It's a little baby. He's a baby. Their mama. Hi.
You trying to come in, little feller? You trying to come in? You want some food? That's a perfect picture. He didn't have no manners. Hey, feller. Hey, feller. Hey, yeah. You up, Hurdy? King of the mountain is what you look like. Wow.
He got most of his velvet off, but not all of it.
Yep. It's hanging, ain't it? Now he's on.
Yep.
Take a few steps now. Bye. Tell you something interesting about a camel too. You might know this already, but a camel can kick 2 ways. He can kick backwards like a cow or a horse, and he can also kick sideways. So you're not safe no matter where you stand with a camel, are you?
Nope. One hump is dromedary.
One hump is a dromedary, and a 2 hump is a camel. Daniel said he had it backwards. So there's your information for today. The sheep are taking it easy under the shade. Camel likes the sun. They said 31 this morning when we woke up. So I guess that a camel really is enjoying that sun. He's used to hot. Hey y'all, I just wanted to stop and show y'all the sunset. It's so beautiful. The Lord has just outdone himself. We got the sun on one side going down, shining so bright, and we got the moon on the other. What blessings from God.